I'm starting my friend. It's tea time. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button if you ever want to see me, and comment something about that you like about ASMR. Then also click the like button. Follow her too. Tea time. I'll put it in the description. Doing a mukbang video with store crunch and zebra cake rolls by Debbie. Little Debbie. We're gonna be spilling some tea about school. We're gonna be spilling tea about school. The first thing we're talking about is squash, also known as Serena Bennett. She's a bitch.
This is so good.
First of all, she's a fake friend. And she's friends with my ex-friend, Olivia. She's also a bitch and a slut and a whore.
She also spoils Riverdale.
Yeah. Serena's boss Riverdale. Okay. So Serena, I called Olivia a bitch at lunch, and she told on me, so I got involved in some drama.
What you pretend you said glitch.
Yeah, I think that's a glitch. And so then Serena wasn't friends with Olivia for a little bit. So then she was with me, and she was basically being a fake friend, being rude to me, telling me how to live my life. Why you want to tell me how to live my life? I already have my life out figured out. She's a fucking whore. So, wait a second. She was my friend for a little bit. I gave her my number. So, we started talking, and then she was calling me. She was like saying, "You're the only friend I can talk to because you don't get butthurt." But then I caught her talking about me with Olivia. She doesn't know we call her Squash because like we're right beside her, and we're talking about her. Yeah. So that's the deal about Squash. She looks like I'm her best friend. No. She's a fucking bitch, and I fucking hate her. She's a fucking slut whore. She's so ugly. With her big ass chin. With her big ass nose and big ass lips. So yeah. And also, everyone at the school hates us because we're the loser Chinese kids. No, we're not. I'm Alaskan bitch.
And ooh, that was kind of loud. Sorry, and I am Hispanic.
I am Alaskan bitch. People always give me sympathy for my mom dying. I've been knew my mom died. Period.
Blank, blank.
And also, Olivia's a bitch too. I fucking hate her. I bet she was being my friend just so that she can look nice. Because she was a friend with a loser that has no friends. Except her. She's a real friend. MVP.
What?
I don't know.
Is this like a bookmark video now or something?
Yeah. So So we had sleepover once, and we were on IMVU trolling people, and we were taking like nude pictures of people's butts and boobs. And mom found those pictures because she deleted them. So then she got in trouble. But guess what? She wasn't even grounded. She still had her phone. She was able.
She got yelled at.
Yeah, and also she just left me just because of that. She just wants a perfect relationship with friends. Like, just deal with people's problems. You could just like talk to them and say,
Okay, one last one.
I got in trouble. Yeah.
So I don't get that.
Yeah.
Oh, my leg is itchy. I want to go to the pool. Me too.
We are going to go to the pool.
With this.
If you guys want ear eating, I will do that.
I'm
I'm gonna do a live stream. Ear eating.
I'm doing.
Don't lick my ear, mate.
I have my own. It's really good.
Mm-hmm. ASMR. ASMR. ASMR fapping.
Stop!
ASMR moaning.
It's 11? No, it's not.
Ew, you're so warm. It's the time is 1:11.
No, it's 6:6. Oh my god, I want to do it.
ASMR sucking dick.
Like this.
Cool. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification button and like this video and comment down below what you like about ASMR videos and follow my friend Tea Time. Bye, bitches.